Yes, students, today I will define with the some examples of calculus of finite differences. Okay. Now, first one is evaluate. Yes, evaluate delta square by E. Yes, operated by x square, x cube. Okay, this one question. Now, the solution of this question, yes, the solution of this can be defined as we have, yes, we have delta square divided by E, yes, operating on x cube. This is defined as E minus 1 E minus 1 whole square and divided by E operating on x cube. As we know, delta, this is, yes, you have proved earlier, this is equivalent to E minus 1. Yes, on my some lecture you have proved it. Okay. Now we this can be written as E square, yes, squaring up E square, yes, minus 2E, yes, plus 1, yes, divided by E, and is this whole operated by x cube. Yes, now operating on the whole term, yes, now dividing this can be written as E, yes, E minus 2, yes, plus 1 by E, yes, operated by x cube. Yes, clear? Now, this can be written, that is, this can be also equal to E of x cube, yes, minus 2x cube, yes, plus E, yes, inverse, yeah, E minus x cube, like that. Okay. And also you know the definition of the E, yes, earlier I have defined you in these types of definitions, that E of x plus s defined as this one. So this can be written as E of x cube, that is f of x plus s minus f of x, that. Therefore this can be written as x plus 1 this whole cube, correct, minus 2 x cube. Yes, here minus of this, then this can be written as, yes, as f of x plus s, f of x minus s. So this can be written as x minus 1 whole cube. Yes, now you can solve it. Yes, okay. From the formula a plus b ka whole cube, you know, and also a minus b, you know. Yes, therefore this is also equal to, yes, x cube plus 3x square, yes, plus 3x plus 1 minus 2x cube, which is this one, yes, and also operating this one a minus b whole cube, this is also can be written as plus x cube, yes, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1, yes, and this is also, if you can solve, then you get this is x cube, and therefore this can be written as here x cube, 3x cube, 4x cube, yes, 5x cube, yes, and here is minus 3, this is cancel out, 1 is again also cancel out, yes, so this can be written as 6x, correct, 3x is here and 3x is all or clear out, yes, okay, 3x axis, yes, clear, okay, therefore the answer of, yes, this can be written as this is equal to this delta square by E, yes, operating by x cube, this is equal to 6x. Yes, okay, yes. Now I have defined you another a simple question, yes, which is you can also evaluate the type of the question, that is example 2, yes, example 2, yes, this is also very simple question, yes, you evaluate, yes, evaluate, yes, delta tan inverse x, tan inverse x, yes. Okay, this is also the same question, है ना, just for earlier है ना, yes. Therefore here is also the solution of this can be, you can obtain easily. Okay, delta, you know that delta tan inverse x, yes, this is equal to, according to the definition of the delta, yes, this can be written as delta of tan inverse x, that is, this is equal to tan inverse, you can operate that delta is the earlier as e minus 1, yes, you substituting here is e minus 1 and tan inverse, so yes, e minus 1, yes, and delta you can write in, and tan inverse x, tan inverse x, yes, operating this one again, tan e of tan inverse x, yes, minus tan inverse x, e of tan inverse x, that is, you know that this is f of x plus h, yes, therefore this is equal to e operating on this one, then this one, tan inverse, yes, x plus h minus tan inverse x. And also you know the properties of the tan inverse a minus tan inverse b, operating this can be written as tan inverse, yes, you know, tan inverse x, yes, x plus h is not here, if you substitute here is f of x plus 1, if the unity is, then if you the difference is not given, then you can also write down f of x plus h, yes, x plus h minus, yes, x, and this divided by, yes, 1 plus x plus h multiplied by x, and this is again is equal to tan inverse of h by 1 plus hx plus x square. Yes, okay. These types of the delta you can evaluate easily. Okay, yes, that is the delta tan inverse x you can operate easily. Okay. Now we solve another question that is like that. Example 3, you can, this can be also defined as example 3, yes, you evaluate delta to the power n. On the same way you have starting the example 1, example 2, and similarly you can solve this one. Okay, very easy, yes, if you know the how to solve it, then this can yes, evaluate this. Okay, solution, yes, delta of n, that is, this can be written as delta n 1 by x, this is equal to, yes, delta n minus 1 delta of 1 by x, yes, clear, delta to the power n can be written as like that. Now from the definition of delta, operating this one, yes, this one, okay, delta 1 by x, yes, you operating the same way, you, this can be as the earlier example, delta can be written as e minus 1, that is e of this one, e of 1 by x minus of 1 by x, yes, that is 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x, yes, this is also equal to x, yes, and this is also equal to x minus x plus 1 divided by x, yes, is equal to minus of 1 divided by x, sorry, x plus 1 is also x plus 1, yes, clear. Okay, now you operate delta square because you have to find out the delta to the power n. So second term, delta square 1 by x, yes, This can be written as operating delta on the second time of delta of x, that is operating on this term, yes, delta of, yes, delta of, yes, delta of 1 by x. Okay. Now, this can be written as delta of minus 1, yes, here, and denote this x plus 1, yes, you denote it on that time. Now, operating this can be again be written as minus 1 delta of 1 by x into x plus 1. Yes, clear? Okay. Now you again operating the definition of the delta as the earlier. Okay. So this can be written as, this can be again be written as minus 1, you take the common here is, and now here is, yes, what? X plus 1, here is the x, the 1 by f of x plus h minus f of x, yes, then here the difference is unity, so you can be written 1 by x here is, so x plus 1, okay, x plus 1, that is x plus 2, correct, minus f of, you have the same term f of x, that is x into x plus 1. Yes, clear? Yes. If you write the same, okay, you have write this one. Any bracket you take the same bracket. Now, evaluating this can be written as, you can evaluate easily, and then the next term you can get minus of 1, okay, minus of 2, and divided by, you get x plus 1 and x plus 2, okay. Similarly, I think you can get on the same way, here is for delta you get this one, delta operating, delta is square, then you take, similarly you can get, if you find out delta q 1 by x, yes, I think similarly you can also obtain this is also equal to minus 1, yes, minus 2 and minus 3, and denominator is x, yes, x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Yes, clear? And similarly you can doubt the delta of n. Yes, so delta n of 1 by x, this can be written as, you can write down, this one is minus 1, yes, minus 2, okay, minus 1, minus 2, up to, yes, up to you can write down minus of n, yes, and this whole divided by x plus 1, x plus 2, and up to x plus n. Is clear? Okay, and this can be written as minus to the power n, yes, minus to the power n, and 1, 2, 3 up to n, this can be written as factorial n, and divided by x plus 1, x plus 2 up to x plus n. Yes, clear? So from this you can solve this one. Okay, now in the next video I have defined the other examples. Okay, thank you.